Beef and Lamb New Zealand Genetics works with a diverse range of breeders to enable commercial farmers to profit from New Zealand's world-class genetic gains. nProve is an online tool designed with farmers for farmers to help you discover genetics fit for your purpose, giving you the power to make informed decisions for your farm. nProve is a multi-species tool, updated every month, that allows farmers to search for sire options on one platform. Looking for bulls? Use nProve Beef. It helps you to quickly find stud breeders and bulls that best fit your farm system and breeding goals. What's the purpose of the sire that you're looking to buy? nProve can help you find bulls to produce stock for finishing, to breed replacement heifers, or to produce beef calves in a dairy system. Start by selecting your production system, followed by your breed preference. The information shown for each breed is generated by that breed society's own genetic evaluation, so breeds cannot be compared with one another. By default, nProve automatically shows you all the animals for an age range. You can also filter your results to only show animals available for sale. Using a selection of buttons and slider scales, you can customize your options to breeders and bulls that best fit your system. Indexes are a great way of combining traits into a core focus. This New Zealand dollar Maternal index combines breeding, calving, finishing and carcass trait groupings. If any of these trait groupings are particularly important to you, you can also move them separately. For this maternal production system we've selected, you can also see the maternal total index and its sub-indexes are turned on automatically, shown by the green graph at the bottom. You can also select individual traits, such as these key EBVs, grouped for the maternal production system we've selected. There are also other traits and genetic conditions that you can select. To help you along the way, there is a handy guide on the slider scale to tell you what you're trying to achieve by moving the slider in each direction. We suggest focusing on only 3 priorities. Every time you move a slider, the number of animals fitting your criteria reduces. nProve quickly helps identify your options nationwide, ranked by likeness to your selection criteria. Take note of the number of relevant animals. This represents the number of animals from each breeder meeting your criteria. The higher the ratio of animals meeting your criteria in comparison to the year group shown means a closer alignment with your objectives and the breeder's objectives. If you would like to look at other options, nProve allows you to easily swap between breeds. You can also view your options closer to home and flag breeders of interest to compare. Once you've found a breeder that meets your criteria, you can also look at their animals more closely. nProve is about empowering you to make informed bull purchases to harness the power of genetics on your farm.